March 4, 2022 is a Friday. Welcome to your daily weather for the great city of Los Angeles. The temperature today should reach up to 62 degrees Fahrenheit and down to 53 degrees Fahrenheit. Bring plenty of water out today, because humidity is at 51%. You can expect 4.23 millimeters of rain and no snow today. Some clouds. We've got moderate wind at about 13 miles per hour. Tomorrow is going to be warm with clear sky. Sunday is going to be cold with clear sky. Monday is going to be warm with clear sky. Tuesday is going to be warm with overcast clouds. Wednesday is going to be warm with clear sky. Thursday is going to be warm with few clouds. No weather alerts at the moment. And now for the news. Warning: some news stories can be disturbing or offensive. Stories are provided by various sources. In our next story, Elon Musk challenges UAW to hold a union vote at Tesla's California factory. Elon Musk says Tesla will do nothing to stop United Auto Workers UAW from holding a union vote at the company's Fremont, California factory. In other California news, Elon Musk challenges UAW union to hold vote at California Tesla plant. Tesla's chief executive, Elon Musk, says he is inviting the United Auto Workers labor union UAW to hold a vote at the L.A. CTRIC carmaker's California factory. In our next story, 4 family members killed in Central California highway crash. Fresno, California. 4 members of a family from Washington state were killed and 3 were injured in a crash on Inters Tate 5 in Central California, authorities said Thursday. Next up, CalPERS says has ceased new investment flows into Russia. Reuters. New York, March 3. Reuters. The California Public Employees Retirement System, the largest U.S. In our next story, Calif. Employers perverting arbitration law, private ag plaintiffs tell SCOTUS. Reuters. The company and law firm names shown above are generated automatically based on the text of the article. We are improving this feature as we continue to test and develop in beta. In our next story, NFL becomes first major American sports league to drop COVID-19 protocols. The New York Times. New case numbers and hospitalizations have fallen sharply from the nationwide peak in January. The NFL. In other California news, effectiveness of COVID-19 Pfizer-BioNTech BNT162b2 mRNA vaccination in preventing COVID-19 associated emergency department and urgent care encounters and hospitalizations among non-immunocompromised children and adolescents aged 51. CDC.gov. On March 1, 2022, this report was posted online as an MMWR early release. Nicola P. Klein, MD1, Melissa S. Stockwell, MD. 2, 3, 4, Maria DeMarco, PhD 5, Manjusha Gaglani, MBBS 6, 7, Anupam B. That's it, California. Have a good one. To help support improvement of our show, please click subscribe. See description for sources. This content contains information from OpenWeather (TM) API, which is made available here under the Open Database License (ODBL).